Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can repost Instagram Reels to our story. Alright, first of all, open your Instagram app on your phone. Then you have to choose the Reels that you want to repost to your story. And I'm going to share this Reel, and we have to click on the share button to share this Reel to our story. And after that, we can click on add to story right here. You can simply click on it and then wait for a moment. It's still loading. Alright, and you can adjust the ratio of the video by pinching your screen like this. You can use both of your fingers, and you can also put music or text to your story. And after that, we can click on this this button, this one, to share it to our story. Okay guys, that's how we can repost Reel to our story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.